What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I have a simple little device that's been very helpful. Can you guess what it is? I won't leave you in suspense. It's for jacking up a vehicle with a floor jack. Let's check it out! It's time to do some vehicle maintenance or repairs, and the vehicle needs to be jacked up, so you wheel out your floor jack. However, unless you have a truck or something like that, most vehicles have factory jack locations that are designed to be used with the factory scissor jack. It is a steel flange that is designed to seat in a mating groove in the scissor jack. Using a floor jack, which is fast and convenient, is not recommended. The jack flange can be damaged. It can fold over or break welds. So now we have to joke around with using the factory jack. This can be time consuming to access, and it's more time consuming to use as well. So let's rip the car apart and get access to the factory scissor jack, and set it up. And here is the slot in the factory scissor jack that mates with the flange under the vehicle. Next it's time to joke around with lowering it down so it'll fit under the vehicle. What a mess. But this is what we need. The tab fits in the jack. Perfect. This is the support that we need. But now I'm out here busting my knuckles all over the ground to raise the scissor jack at a crawling speed. It sure would be nice to just slide a hydraulic floor jack under here and handle this immediately. And here's the solution, the slotted jack pad. The flange under the vehicle fits in the slot in the jack pad. Perfect. Then just slide the hydraulic floor jack underneath and jack up the vehicle. No reason to tear your trunk apart or smash your knuckles all over the concrete. Up, 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 and we're ready to rock and roll. Time for maintenance and repairs. When maintenance and repairs are complete, lower your floor jack and recover the jack pad. I just keep the jack pad with the floor jack. Here is the listing for this specific jack pad. I'll leave a link in the video description. It's manufactured by TMB Motorsports. I do want to point out that this video is not sponsored in any way. This was purchased online with money, because I wanted it, and I'm making a helpful review video for you. Looking at the reviews, it's currently sitting at 4.4 out of 5 stars. I've personally used this at least 20 times, on 3 different vehicles, and I don't have any complaints. It's been great for me. It looks like they offer a variety of shapes and sizes, but I got the one that fits my floor jack. And that pretty much covers it. This has been a great little product for me, and I hope you find this review helpful or entertaining. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.